do 5x120 spaces work on your Honda Civic Type R? Let's get it. 5x120 spaces can be installed as aftermarket parts, but high-quality wheel spaces can help the Honda Civic Type R with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Wheel spaces offer easy and quick wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the Honda Civic Type R an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using 5x120 spaces allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good Honda Civic Type R wheel spaces, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of wheel spaces to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 73 XGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 50mm to 50mm. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS forged active cooling Honda Type R wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributing and pedal shake. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer while it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, the BONOSS forged active cooling Honda Type R wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.